Removes dust from hard-to-reach areas, keeping car interiors clean, hygienic, and well-maintained. Today's video is about top 5 best car cleaning gel dust remover that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a simple yet highly effective tool for keeping interiors spotless. Its soft, putty-like texture easily reaches into tight spaces like air vents, cup holders, and dashboard corners where dust usually hides. Just press and lift, and it picks up dirt without leaving residue. What makes it stand out is its versatility. It works not only in cars but also on keyboards, remotes, and other electronics, making it useful at home or in the office. The reusable design adds value, allowing multiple uses until the gel darkens. It's made from natural materials with a light lavender scent, making the cleaning experience more pleasant. However, it's important to follow instructions, such as not using it on screens or washing it with water. Overall, it's a handy, affordable, and efficient cleaning accessory, perfect for anyone who wants a quick and Pulidiki way to keep spaces dust-free. Now our second product is Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your car interior dust-free. Designed specifically for hard-to-reach areas like air vents, cup holders, and dashboard corners, it easily lifts dirt with a simple press and pull motion. The gel is soft, non-sticky to hands, and leaves no residue, making it safe for regular use. Its light fragrance adds a pleasant touch, while the high-quality material ensures effective cleaning without damaging surfaces. The reusable design is another advantage. You can use it multiple times until it darkens, offering good value for money. Beyond cars, it's also useful for cleaning keyboards, remotes, and other electronics, adding to its versatility. Just remember not to use it on carpets or wash it with water. Overall, it's a handy, easy-to-use cleaning tool and a great small gift option for anyone who likes to keep their space neat and tidy. Our third product is Allguo Car Cleaning Gel. This 4-pack cleaning gel set is a practical and versatile solution for everyday cleaning. Designed for cars, home, and office use, it easily tackles dust in hard-to-reach areas like air vents, cup holders, keyboards, and electronics. The simple press and roll method makes cleaning quick and satisfying without leaving any residue behind. The multicolor pack is a nice touch, allowing you to assign different gels for specific areas, keeping things hygienic and organized. It performs well on waterproof surfaces like plastic, glass, and metal, effectively picking up fine dust, crumbs, and even pet hair. Made from eco-friendly materials, it feels safe to use and has a light, pleasant scent. The reusable design and resealable packaging add convenience, making storage easy in your car or workspace. Overall, it's an efficient, affordable, and user-friendly cleaning tool, perfect for maintaining a neat environment or gifting to anyone who values cleanliness. Now number 4, Click Clean Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is a simple and effective solution for keeping both vehicles and small gadgets dust-free. It works well in hard-to-reach areas such as air vents, dashboards, door handles, and other tight spaces where dust usually builds up. The press and lift method makes it very easy to use, quickly picking up dirt and grime without leaving any sticky residue. One of its biggest advantages is reusability. You can use it multiple times until the gel gradually darkens. It's also made from non-toxic, eco-friendly materials, so it feels safe and gentle on hands during use. Beyond cars, it's highly versatile and works great on keyboards, printers, remotes, calculators, and even electric fans. This makes it a useful tool for both home and office cleaning. Overall, it's a convenient, affordable, and efficient cleaning accessory that helps maintain cleanliness in everyday spaces with minimal effort. And our last choice is Aliobc Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel kit is a practical and efficient solution for tackling dust in tight and hard-to-reach spaces. It works especially well on car interiors like air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, and also extends to keyboards, laptops, phones, printers, and other household or office devices. Using it is simple. Just keep your hands dry, knead the gel, press it gently into crevices, and slowly lift it away. The gel effectively grabs dust and debris within seconds, leaving surfaces clean without any residue. One of its key advantages is reusability. It can typically last for several months and should be replaced once it becomes dull or starts to liquefy. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps maintain its quality. Made from high-tech materials, the gel is non-sticky to hands yet highly effective at picking up dust. Overall, it's a convenient, affordable, and user-friendly cleaning tool for both car and home use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.